are fit and healthy. I am your English teacher Urmil Joshi from Ardent Progressive School. So students, in English literature, today we will study one new chapter. Students, when you want to get up early in the morning in the fixed time, what you do? I am telling you, you take a alarm clock. You see on the board I have drawn an alarm clock that you use to get up at the fixed time in the morning. What is alarm? Alarm is a warning. Alarm is a warning. When you want to get up in a fixed time, you want a warn. You want a warn. That warn you get with the help of an alarm clock. तो जब आप मॉर्निंग में आपको किसी फिक्स टाइम में उठना होता है, तो व्हाट यू डू? यू विल यूज एन अलार्म क्लॉक. आप एक अलार्म क्लॉक का यूज करते हैं. सो टुडे इन अ न्यू चैप्टर दैट नेम इज नेहा's alarm clock, you will come to know how the alarm clock works. How the alarm clock works. So this is a story of Neha and her alarm clock. So here I am starting the story. Take out your book Marigold and open the page number 6. Neha's alarm clock. Narrator. Narrator is the person who tells a story and tells you and explains you that what is happening in the story. So what is narrator? Who is narrator? Narrator कौन होता है? Who tells the story and tells that what is happening in the story. इस story में क्या हो रहा है. So I am telling. Narrator. Ring, ring, ring. Off goes the alarm clock at 6 in the morning. Neha makes a face and covering her ears with a pillow, snuggles under the warm blanket. But she knows she has to get up. She mutters to herself. Now narrator is telling that when alarm sound comes at 6 in the morning. In the morning time, alarm rings and the sound comes at the 6 in the morning, 6 o'clock in the morning, and Neha makes a face because Neha becomes disappointed. उसे बहुत बुरा लगता है and she makes face and she covers her ears with blanket, with pillows. So what she do? She covers her ears with a pillow and snuggles under the warm blanket and arrange herself in a warm blanket. और उसके बाद क्या करती है? वो warm blanket में फिर से झपकी ले लेती है. But she knows she has to get up. But narrator is telling that she knows that it is morning time and she has to get up now. She mutters to herself, but she talks to herself that what is this, like this. She mutters herself. You all in the morning when your mother calls you and says that it is morning time, you have to get up, so you all also becomes disappointed. आप लोग भी सब शायद कैसे हो जाते हैं? निराश हो जाते हैं कि सुबह हो गई और now we all have to get up. Like this, Neha also becomes disappointed. Neha, this alarm clock always rings at 6 and pulls me out of the bed. It's so unfair. Oh, how I would love to sleep a little longer in the morning. I wish this clock would forget its job sometimes. Now she is very disappointed and she is saying that this alarm clock always rings at 6 o'clock. ये रोज 6 o'clock में बज जाती है. She makes sounds o'clock in the morning every day. And when I will sleep little longer, when the day will come when I will sleep a little longer in the morning. वो कहती है अपने मन में कब आएगा ऐसा दिन जब मैं थोड़ा और देर सोऊंगी. In the morning time. I wish this clock would forget its job sometimes. Now Neha is wishing that the clock should forget its job. अपने काम को उसे भूल जाना चाहिए कुछ टाइम के लिए. Narrator. Something falls. That time Neha smiles. Now what happens? Something falls. कुछ गिरता है and Neha smiles. Neha मुस्कुराती है. Neha, oh, my clock has fallen. How happy I am. Tomorrow I can get up late. Now Neha is very pleased, very happy that something is fall down. कुछ गिर गया है. Maybe it is my alarm clock. And now she can get up late in the morning. और अब वो ये सोच रही है कि बहुत अच्छा हुआ कुछ गिर गया. अब मैं आराम से देर से सोकर उठूंगी. Narrator. Next morning there is no alarm. And the next morning there were no alarm because Neha's alarm clock fallen down. So Neha sleeps and sleeps. The small chirping birds which come to the windowsill every morning find Neha still sleeping. And in the next morning, windowsill means bottom part of the window, where the birds chirps in the morning. And when birds came there, Neha was still sleeping. Birds, wake up dear, wake up fast. Now birds are saying, wake up Neha, wake up. Wake up fast. Narrator. Neha gets up with a start. Now Neha gets up with a start. Neha, oh no, if it is not the alarm clock, it's these birds. Why don't they leave me alone? Now Neha is very disappointed now. Again, she is saying that why the birds are coming to get me up. Narrator. Even this wish of Neha comes true. Now narrator is saying that the wish should come true. The next morning there is not only no alarm clock, there are no birds either. There were neither birds, neither alarm clock nor alarm clock, but there is someone else who does not want her to miss the school bus. Can you guess which is the big bright sun? He fills Neha's room with a warm smile. Now on the next day nobody was there, neither birds nor alarm clock, but somebody was there. Somebody was there. Guess who it is? It was the sun. It was the sun who gives sunlight in the morning time and gives a warm smile to Neha. Neha, oh my eyes, now it is the sun waking me up. Why can't he let me be? Now Neha is again very disappointed that who is he who is getting me up? Narrator. Even this wish of Neha comes true. Next morning the sun is behind the clouds. So Neha soars till she hears her mother's voice. Now next day what happened? Next morning the sun was behind the clouds. Now the sun moved back to the clouds. So Neha is snoring till her mother's voice. Now she is sleeping. Now mother says, wake up sleepyhead, you will miss the bus. Now her mother is saying that Neha, please get up beta. Now the bus is out. How you will go to the school if your bus will miss? Neha, oh no, why does mother have to wake me up? Now again she is very disappointed. Why her mother is getting her up? Narrator, there is no escape now. Neha gets up and gets ready. Now what happens? Neha, no choice was there. Neha gets up and gets ready to the school. Can you imagine what happens the next day? Neha wakes up with a start. Her watch says it is 6 o'clock. She calls out to her mother. So what happened next day? Next day Neha wakes up and she is doing all work. She is ready. She gets up at 6 o'clock in the morning. Now Neha calls to her mother. Neha, Ma, who woke me up today? Now today who woke me up? Now Neha is asking to her mother. वो अपनी मम्मा से पूछ रही है कि आज मुझे किसने उठाया? Mother smiles. Now her mother smiles. Mother, who else? You of course. Now mother is asking to Neha, who? You. Of course, you did yourself. Neha, but I was sleeping. How could I? Now Neha is surprised that she was sleeping that time and who got up? Mother, now tell me, why do you eat your lunch every day at 1 in the afternoon? Now mother is asking one question to Neha, that who says you to eat your food, eat your lunch at the fixed time, afternoon at 1 o'clock? Who says to you? Who reminds you? Neha, I feel hungry, Mama. Now Neha is answering that I feel hungry that time and I eat lunch at 1 o'clock. Now mother is saying, again asking one question, why do you sleep at night every night and why do you sleep at night in fixed time, that is 9 o'clock आप कैसे सो जाती हो? So now again Neha is answering that because I feel sleepy, क्योंकि मुझे उस समय नींद आती है. I feel sleepy. That's why I sleep at 9 in the night. Mother, there is a clock inside you. Now the mother is telling that there is a clock inside you, inside us. Who tells us when to eat, when to sleep and when to wake up? Now her mother tells that every person has an alarm clock inside which tells us when to sleep, when to eat, when to wake up. जो हमें ये बताती है कि कब सोना है, कब खाना है और कब जगना है. Neha is surprised now. Oh, I better rush now. Now I have come to know. I don't want to miss the bus. Now I don't want to miss the bus. I am going right now. Mother, relax beta, today is Sunday. Now mother is telling that today is Sunday, don't go, don't rush. Neha, oh. Neha is saying oh. Now she is very happy. So in this chapter, the writer wants to tell you that every person has an alarm clock inside body that tells us that which time you have to eat, at which time you have to sleep and which time you have to wake up. So like this, in Neha's body also there is an alarm clock which is telling to Neha to get up at the fixed time, to eat at a fixed time and to wake up at the fixed time. So this is a very interesting story adapted from Neha's alarm clock and written by Girija Rani Asthana. So now we will write some hard word of this chapter. Some hard words are here. You will draw this alarm clock in your notebook. You can draw any shape of your choice. You can draw any kind of alarm clock in your notebook and you will write hard words here. Hard words. Number 1, pillow. 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 The second word is Sixth word is R-E-L-A-X, relax. And the last word is H-U-N-G-R-Y, hungry. Repeat with me. P-I-L-L-O-W, pillow. Second word is snuggles. Snuggles means arrange. Arrange karna, chapki lena. Blanket, B-L-A-N-K-E-T, blanket. Bright, B-R-I-G-H-T, bright. Narrator, N-A-R-R-A-T-O-R, narrator, who writes a story, who tells that what is happening in the story, a person. Relax, R-E-L-A-X, relax. Hungry, H-U-N-G-R-Y, hungry. So, these are the hard words and you have to write in your notebook. Now, we will write word meanings of this chapter. Word meanings of this chapter. Words and their meanings. First word is snuggles. S-N-U-G-G-L-E-S. Snuggles. To be in a comfortable position. To be in a comfortable position. मतलब to arrange in a comfortable position. Mutters, M-U-T-T-E-R-S, mutters. Mutters means say something in a very low voice. बहुत हल्की आवाज में अपने आप बोलना. Talk herself. To talk himself. Windowsill, W-I-N-D-O-W, window, S-I-L-L, sill, windowsill. The bottom part of the window. The bottom part of the window. विंडो का नीचे का भाग. विंडो का नीचे का भाग विंडो सिल. रिलैक्स. रिलैक्स मीन्स feel comfortable. Free from tension. Free from tension. The last word is unjust. Unjust means unfair, unjust. These are the words and their meanings. Snuggles, to be in a comfortable position, like Neha. Neha feels comfortable in blanket, in warm blanket. Mutters, say something in a very low voice. She was muttering. She was talking to herself in a low voice that nobody can listen. Windowsill, the bottom part of the window. Relax, free from tension. You also feel relaxed when you don't have any work. Unfair. Unfair means unjust. So, you have to write these word meanings, hard words in your notebook. Now I am telling you question answers orally, and I will send question answers through PDF and you have to write it in your fear notebook. So first question is, what time did Neha's clock ring every morning? So which time? At what time? At 6 in the morning. At 6 o'clock in the morning. Neha's alarm clock rang. What is inside you that makes you get up at the same time every day? what is inside you? It's an alarm clock. क्या होती है ये? Alarm clock होती है जो हमें same fixed time में उठाती है. What did the bird say to Neha? So what the bird said to Neha? The bird said to Neha to wake up in the morning. So here are the question answers also, and you have to write all the question answers in your Fair English Literature notebook. So first you will write hard words, then in next page you will write word meanings, and after that you will write the question answers, and you will draw an alarm clock also of your choice. Shape can be of your choice. So we will meet you soon in a